Do you hate painting windows as much as I do? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll share a trick that takes the misery out of this chore right after this.
Does the outside of your home need a little TLC? Then enter the Elevate Your Exterior contest now at todayshomeowner.com/contest. The winner will be featured on an episode of Today's Homeowner TV along with a great exterior makeover for their home, complete with Therma-Tru doors, fiber-on decking, and 5-pond decorative millwork. Contest ends May 24th, 2020, so enter today at todayshomeowner.com/contest. Brought to you by Therma-Tru doors, fiber-on decking, and 5-pond decorative millwork.
Painting around divided light windows is a tedious, time-consuming job, but here are a couple of tips to make it slightly less painful. The first is simple. Take several sheets of printer paper and cut them to exactly the size of each window pane. Then run them through a pan of water so they're good and damp but not dripping. Because it's damp, the paper will stick to the glass long enough for you to paint the frame. When you're done, it peels right off. The other option is to go ahead and let the paint get on the glass. When it's dry and you're ready to scrape the excess off, use a straight edge to cut around the perimeter of each pane before using a razor scraper to remove the paint. This leaves a nice, clean, fine line without gouging up the window frame to get it. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.